We interrupt this program to inform you audience that
it's time for a cat quiz! The irony, right?
I was so happy when summer break came in and that I was away from the impending doom, and here I am quizzing you guys. I already did this on my Instagram, so if you want to have actual choices, you can go on right over there. So here's how we're going to do it. I'm going to post a picture, give you guys some choices so that you can look it up, and then I'm going to like the comment with 100%. Easy enough, right? I just want to see how engaged you guys are. I can't wait to see how many of you guys are cat pros such as I. Now get to commenting right now.